Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. And the second one. So now we apply two formulas to calculate everything in here. The first one, that is about s squared. So I will put number 2 on here. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3. So this one we have s to the power of 3 over 3. This one s that is about number 1. So we put number 1 on here. So we have 1 plus 1 we have number 2 and we have number 2. So we have 2s squared over 2. This one that is about this one. The next one, for this one I can put about 2s to the power of negative number 2. So I will put negative number 2 on here. So negative number 2 plus 1 we have negative number 1. And then we have 2s to the power of negative number 1 over negative number 1. So negative we cancel. This one we write about 2 over s. Number 2 and number 2 we cancel. And this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, we apply same formula. So we have number 3, I will put in here. So 3 plus 1, we have number 4. Similar for the second one. This one, we just calculate in here. This one, I swear that is about the constant. So for the constant, we just put about s. And that is the answer for question number 2. Question number 3. We see that we have the square root of s. We need to transform into s to the power of 1 over 2. So we multiply each order in here. And this one we have 5 over 2. Now we apply the formula in here. So I will put 5 over 2 on here. So for this one, we have 7 over 2. And that is the final answer. For this one, we can transform into s to the power of 5 over 3. The cube root that is about 1 over 3 in here. So if I want to put this one go to numerator, so we need to put about negative sign here. Or this one we just have only one ds. So for this one we can apply the formula in here. So we have the final answer. So this one we simplify and we have negative number 2 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.